I'm going to show you how to make a briolette like this. I leave a little bit and I put it together and I pinch so that it catches like this, and then I trim. I use a round nose plier. I make a loop like this, just a small loop. I'm going to hold on to it with chain nose pliers because I have a death grip. And I just keep going around neatly, then go slowly and make sure that it is tight against one another. I think I've cut about 6 inches here. It's quite a bit. What I'm going to do is hold on to it and then bring it up and wrap. Then I'm going to cut it behind and flatten it. There you have it.